Hello everybody! Nice to see you on Sonata Dolls channel! This is a new music LOL series surprise remix. I was looking forward for these dolls so much. Has already filmed several episodes of dolls news about them. I can't believe it! And here they are. To have a full collection of LOL OMG remix series consisting of 4 dolls, I still need to buy Honeylicious doll, but it is not available for sale anywhere yet. I will make a review of each doll. We will unbox them together with you. And we will definitely have a look at Honey when she goes on sale. So, subscribe my channel to not miss the unboxing of all dolls of the LOL OMG remix series. And today we will unbox Kitty K, the favorite one of many girls and collectors. Pretty Kitty is just the prima of this series. She became as popular as her doppelganger, Ariana Grande. I just can't wait to move on to unboxing. Let's unpack our beauty! The format of the box of the remix series has changed. Now it has become square. The cover looks like a package of old music discs. The new striking logo of the series is made in black, pink and white colors, with a piece on the side which looks like as if it was turned off on purpose and behind which you can see the music disc in the remix inscription. Inside we will find 25 surprises and a music player. It looks like as if a filter was applied to Kitty, which turns the photo into a watercolor drawing. Kitty signed her autograph on the box. Inside we're waiting for 2 fashionable outfits that we can mix with each other and with other dolls. Another interesting feature of the new packaging is the music plate that looks out from the box. Kitty K left her autograph on this side as well. She sings as duet with the Pop BB. I also have a Pop BB doll. After I unpack it, I will make a video where we will try on and mix their outfits. I hope everyone who loves LOL dolls has already subscribed my channel. On the back side of the package there are arts of all 4 girls of the group. These girls got gathered on the world tour. To complement their looks, you need to purchase all of the dolls. Kitty Queen is ready to greet her little sister. The packaging opens in an interesting way. First comes the vinyl record. But this record is made of plastic. The pattern on the plate repeats the pattern on the box. Kitty K is a performer of the song Meow. The box of the doll slides out from the other side. The yellow box contains the logos of the series and a lot of music-themed stickers. This box opens and unfolds like a book. On the first page, there is a promo photo of Kitty K in her stage image. Her outfit can be mixed with an outfit of her friend Pop BB. On the another side, there is the music player and the sound control switches. The kit includes instructions on how this player works. It turned out that these are not just levers, there are secret boxes with shoes and accessories. Let's get the black shoe box. It contains stage shoes with heels and high platform. It seems that now LOL Surprise began using less paper for packaging. There were silver shoes in a pink package. They look like the crystal shoe of a very fashionable Cinderella. The second cache of accessories. The pink mother of pearl box contains a whole bunch of accessories. This is the very headband with cat ears. It shimmers very nicely. On the sides, it's decorated with not really sharp thorns. And inside the ears there are small hearts. two different earrings. It is very trendy now. The right earring is supposed to be worn over the entire earlobe. Kitty's pink glasses are the same as those of the royal bee. Remember, we thought Kitty K would be wearing high over-the-knee boots, but it turned out to be leggings over her shoes. They have a silver laces at the front and their buffs are tied at the very top. Well, and here is the most important accessory because this is a musical series. This is a silver microphone with meow lettering in neon side style. Now we will see the brightest star of the stage. Let's give it up for Kitty K! How stunning she is! 1,000 times better than in the picture. She also has her own magazine like other LOL OMG dolls, but inside there is not a horoscope but a poster with her autograph. Let's see what Kitty K is going to wear on tour. In a large pink bag with cats and graffiti, there is her concert pink cape. Wow, it's just a cloud of airy organza. Look at these shiny buffs with long ribbons on sleeves. This outfit looks very impressive. In a metallic silver case, there was her miniskirt hidden. This is a pink glitter miniskirt with 2 pockets. This skirt is worn over shorts and other skirt or pants as it has a very large slit in front, and it consists of 2 equal parts. Here is another long package with an image of a CD collection on it. It turned out to be Kitty's second outfit, but it's also for the Madonna doll. This is an almost sheer silver mesh crop top and comfortable jeans with suspenders. There are holes in the knees area of jeans and the legs are torn off. This outfit is for rehearsals between concerts. There are 2 real pockets on the back side. Now, let's look at Kitty. Before I get her out of the blister, I want to show you how long her hair is. The kit also includes a pink hairbrush and a white stand. And here is Kitty. She looks like a snow queen who takes over the hearts of her fans. Would you give your heart to such a girl? Her hair is long and coarse and feel more like fishing line to touch. There is also a lot of shiny lyrics in the hair. Part of Kitty's hair is pulled back into 2 high ponytails, and her face locks are tied together with bangs. Kitty's eyes are as brown as Ariana's. Her makeup all shines with lilac sparkles, and next to the corners of her lips, Kitty has 2 symmetrical moles. Part of Kitty's stage image is an iridescent holographic corset. It connects with a choker with expensive crystals on the neck. Kitty K has not that bright golden nails, and on the left hand there's a ring with a large stone. I wonder if this is an engagement ring. At the bottom, Kitty has pink shorts with lyrics on the stretching elastic band. Undressed, Kitty has small silver panties. Let's make our star ready for her first performance. And of course, let's not forget about accessories. Of course, our kitty can't live without cat ears. I've tried to put glasses on, but honestly, I don't like them at all. Well, the main detail is her silver microphone, which fits perfectly. Now, Kitty is ready to go to her millions of loyal fans. Let's try a second, more casual look right away. Kitty's top fits well, nothing extra is visible, and I really like these black suspenders. Which look did you like best? The first one for stage or the second casual one? Gonna be interesting to see how her outfits will look like on her friend Pop Baby. Since Kitty is a real star, she needs her own star dressing room. Kitty, of course, has her own chair with her name on it, and a dressing table with the necessary little things for makeup and manicure. Now Kitty is totally ready, so it's time to listen to her performance. Let's take the music plate with the song which was a part of the kit. We put it into the music player, pull out the paper plug from the side as shown in the instructions, and spin the plate. Kitty sang her song so brightly. I hope you appreciated her vocal abilities. Kitty K is by far the star of this series. In real life, she's even better and brighter than in pictures. See you soon in the next episode. Bye!